In this video, we will discuss the 5 best mini sewing machines on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Singer Start Mini Sewing. The Singer Start Mini Sewing Machine is pre-programmed with 6 built-in stitches, preset for width and length, which users can select easily by turning a dial. A threading diagram helps get the needle ready, and a 4-step buttonhole feature allows beginners to add buttonholes easily. Built to last, the unit features an interior metal frame and stainless steel bedplate. Though it's sturdy, it's still lightweight, weighing under 10 pounds. A handy reverse stitch lever and 3 presser feet add to the beginner machine's versatility. Accessories include a pack of needles, bobbins, a needle plate screwdriver, and a detailed user manual. Number 2. Rxmeili Sewing Machine. The Rxmeili Sewing Machine is a versatile and user-friendly device designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned sewing enthusiasts. Featuring dual power modes, it can be operated via a foot switch or a button switch, allowing for convenient usage. Powered by either an AC adapter or 4 AA batteries, the battery mode enables you to take your sewing adventures on the go. The machine boasts clear threading indication marks printed on its body, ensuring seamless setup, while the comprehensive user guide, complete with instructional videos, empowers you to create masterpieces with ease. With 12 distinct stitch patterns ranging from basic stitches to intricate curves, and the ability to adjust stitch lengths, this machine offers unparalleled versatility. The reverse stitching function further enhances your creative freedom. Number 3. Magicfly Portable Sewing Machine. This Magicfly portable sewing machine can provide a boost for beginners at an affordable price. It offers an easy-to-use dial for selecting the desired stitch according to a visual guide on the machine. It includes 12 options ranging from straight to zigzag. A backstitch lever adds to its versatility, while a second dial makes it simple to adjust the upper thread tension. This mini sewing machine lacks an automatic threader. However, a guide printed on the body assists with the process. Other useful features include an extension table, an integrated drawer for accessories, and LED light and a thread cutter. A large accessory kit includes 3 presser feet, buttons, zippers, a tape measure, scissors, and a complete set of thread spools. Number 4. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. This Brother XM2701 mini sewing machine is beginner-friendly with an automatic needle threader, a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and an automatic bobbin winding system. Beginners will find setting the stitch a simple step using the dial and visual indicators on the machine. 27 stitch settings, including an auto-size buttonhole and variable length options, allow users to tackle a variety of projects. A free arm helps when sewing sleeves and pant legs. The machine also comes with an LED light to illuminate the work surface. It also features added accessories, including 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, a twin needle, 4 bobbins, and an instructional DVD. The company offers free technical support via live online chat or phone for the life of the machine. Number 5. Rxmeili Portable Sewing Machine. With just 2 stitch speeds and a 9¾ extension table, this mini sewing machine is a good choice for beginners and children. Users will have to thread the needle manually, but an automatic bobbin winder and thread tension controller add to its easy functionality. A 2-speed motor activates by a dial or via the included foot pedal. As an added bonus, this machine can plug into an outlet or run on battery power. It comes with 2 pre-wound metal bobbins with black and white thread, 2 empty metal bobbins, and a replacement needle.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.